Let's be honest, doing laundry is the worst chore that there is. Not only do you have to lug all your clothes down to the washing machine, put them from the washer into the dryer, you're then left with the worst task, which is folding all of this. No! Whoa. Pause that right there. That is the look of utter and complete despair. But not to fear, today I'm going to share with you some clothing folding hacks that is going to make all of this a lot easier. Alright, let's start with the standard t-shirt. Start by putting your t-shirt out flat, facing you horizontally. Then you're going to imagine that there are 3 points on this shirt. Point 1 is at the top of the collar, point 2 is right around the armpit, and then point 3 is all the way down at the bottom of the shirt. You're going to grab point 1 and point 2, and then bring point 1 to meet point 3. The hand with point 2 is going to be sort of covered now, so you're just going to pull it out and then fold over. It took me about 3 times to learn how to do this, but essentially just remember that when you bring point 1 over, you're going to be covering the hand with point 2 and then unfolding it as you turn. Folding t-shirts this way is a lot quicker and more efficient. Let's move on to sweaters and thicker long sleeve shirts. Go ahead and place your sweater out on a flat surface, and you're going to start by folding the bottom hem up about 1 inch to 2 inches. Fold the arms across diagonally. Fold into thirds inwards, and then fold into thirds one more time. This time, taking the fold from the top of the sweater and folding it over the top. This puts your sweater into a nice little compact square, perfect for packing or saving space in your closet. Alright, let's move on to socks. I don't know if you're like me, but I've been folding my socks like this pretty much my entire life, which is fine, but it doesn't really save as much space and it's a little less effective, so I'm going to show you a better way to do it. Lay the matching socks out flat and then fold the top one down about 1.5 inches. Then just roll up from the bottom. When you get to the top, just fold the excess over and you're all set. Good to go. This is going to save a ton of space in your sock drawers. Alright, let's fold some pants. Start by just folding a pair of pants in half. And then taking the top leg, you're going to fold it up on an angle. Starting from the top, just roll down. Then simply take the loose pant leg and fold it over the top. Now this hack works great for any of your wider leg pants, but it will not work for your skinny jeans, so let me show you a hack for those. For this hack, you're going to start at the top. You're going to fold the waistband of the jeans over. Fold in half horizontally and then vertically, and roll up from the bottom. When you get to the top, you're going to take the fold from the back and fold it over to hold everything into place. Alright, let's fold some shorts. Go ahead and just fold them in half. From the waist, you're going to fold down, and the key is to not fold down too far, because if you fold down too far, there's not going to be enough space, because now we're going to take the legs and bring them up and tuck them into the waist. There you go, all folded together. Now, like I mentioned, you do need a good amount of space between the waist and the bottom of the leg, so this won't work really great if you have super short shorts, but as long as your shorts are a little bit longer or high-waisted shorts like these, then it works great. Alright, let's talk about folding button-ups and blouses. I don't know about you, but to me these are the worst things to fold, and my rule is always just hang them if you can, but maybe you don't have a closet that allows it or you're traveling, this little hack will work perfect. Flip the shirt backwards so that you have the back of it, and then all you need is a book or a magazine. That is the key to folding a button-up. Place the magazine in the back just underneath the collar. Fold each side over, and then taking the arm, you're going to fold it diagonally down so that it's parallel with the rest of the shirt. Then from the bottom, fold up to the top, flip the shirt over, pull the magazine out, and you are good to go. Alright friends, that does it for these folding hacks. I actually asked you guys in the community tab on my YouTube channel here what videos of mine you'd like to see the most. And my hack videos got a lot of votes. Basically, you guys were telling me in the comments that you like anything that's going to help you do anything more productively or more efficiently. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out when you guys do that. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can follow me right there. I'll also stick a link to my blog there as well. But as always, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video.